solve the equation 16 to the power of x minus 49 to the power of y equals 207. X, y are integers. 16 can be written as 4 squared. 49 can be written as 7 squared. 4 squared, all to the power of x, can be written as 4 to the power of x, all squared. 7 squared, all to the power of y, can be written as 7 to the power of y, all squared. We have a difference of 2 squares, so we can now write 4 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of y times 4 to the power of x minus 7 to the power of y. Factors of 207, 1, 3, 9, 23, 69, 207, minus 1, minus 3, minus 9, minus 23, minus 69, minus 207 are not considered as 4 to the power of x is greater than 0. Product of factors 1 times 207, 3 times 69, 9 times 23. Case 1, 4 to the power of x plus 7 to the power of y equals 207. 4 to the power of x minus 7 to the power of y equals 1. For case 2, the right-hand side of the equations are 69 and 3. For case 3, the right-hand side of the equations are 23 and 9. Case 1, 1 plus 2, we have 2 times 4 to the power of x equals 208. So 4 to the power of x equals 104. It has no integer solutions. Case 2, 3 plus 4, we have 2 times 4 to the power of x equals 72. So 4 to the power of x equals 36. It has no integer solutions. Case 3, 5 plus 6, we have 2 times 4 to the power of x equals 32. So 4 to the power of x equals 16. So x equals 2. From 5, 7 to the power of y equals 23 minus 4 squared equals 7. So y equals 1. Thus, x, y equals 2, 1 is the solution of the original equation. Thank you for watching. Hope you found this video helpful. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel for notification of new videos. See you next time.